YouTube has become one of the most popular platforms for content creators to showcase their talent, build a following, and earn money. However, monetizing a YouTube channel can be a challenging task, and many content creators struggle to generate a steady income from their content. We will discuss the biggest mistakes that content creators make when monetizing their YouTube channels, explore the different strategies and practices that lead to unsuccessful monetization efforts, and provide advice for content creators looking to increase their revenue streams. What is meant by successful monetization efforts? Successful monetization efforts refer to those that generate a steady income stream for the content creator, allowing them to earn a decent amount of money from their content. This involves a combination of strategies, including advertising revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. However, to achieve successful monetization, content creators must avoid making certain mistakes that can impact their revenue streams negatively. The biggest mistakes that content creators make when monetizing their YouTube channels. Over-reliance on advertising revenue. Many content creators rely solely on advertising revenue to monetize their YouTube channels. This can be a mistake as advertising revenue is dependent on the number of views, clicks, and engagement on the ad. Hence, relying solely on advertising revenue may not be a sustainable strategy for monetizing your channel. Poor audience engagement. Audience engagement is critical to the success of a YouTube channel. Poor engagement leads to a lack of views, comments, and shares, which, in turn, negatively affects monetization efforts. Inconsistent branding. Inconsistent branding can make it difficult for audiences to remember a channel and can make it challenging to attract sponsors and advertisers. Low-quality video content. Low-quality videos can lead to a loss of viewership and, subsequently, lower ad revenue. Failing to diversify income streams. Relying on only one income stream can be risky as it leaves content creators vulnerable to changes in the market, platform policies, or advertiser preferences. Strategies and practices that lead to successful monetization. Diversifying income streams. Content creators must explore multiple revenue streams, such as sponsorships, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing, to maximize their earnings potential. Consistent branding. Developing a consistent brand and maintaining it across all channels and platforms can help attract sponsors and advertisers. Focusing on audience engagement. Building a loyal audience that regularly engages with the content can lead to higher views, shares, and ad revenue. Producing high-quality content. High-quality content can help attract and retain viewers, leading to increased ad revenue and sponsorships. The impact of audience engagement, video quality, and branding on monetization efforts. Audience engagement, video quality, and branding are critical factors that impact monetization efforts. A loyal and engaged audience is more likely to share content, increasing views and ad revenue. High-quality videos can help attract new viewers and retain existing ones, leading to higher ad revenue and sponsorships. Consistent branding can help content creators establish a strong presence on the platform, making it easier to attract sponsors and advertisers. Monetization approaches for different types of content. The monetization approach can vary depending on the type of content being produced. For example, educational channels may have a higher potential for sponsorships, whereas entertainment channels may have more opportunities for merchandise sales. Hence, it is crucial to understand the target audience and create a monetization strategy that caters to their preferences. Tips and resources for content creators struggling to monetize their channels. Consider diversifying income streams and exploring alternative revenue streams. Build a loyal and engaged audience by focusing on audience engagement and producing high-quality content. Collaborate with other content creators to expand your reach and attract new audiences. Invest in your channel by upgrading equipment, improving video quality, and developing a consistent brand. Use analytics tools to understand your audience and track monetization efforts. Join YouTube communities and forums to learn from other content creators and stay up to date on industry trends and best practices. Monetizing a YouTube channel requires effort, strategy, and patience. Content creators must avoid the common mistakes outlined in this video and focus on diversifying their revenue streams, engaging their audience, producing high-quality content, and maintaining consistent branding. By implementing these strategies and following the tips and resources provided, content creators can increase their revenue streams and achieve successful monetization efforts.